Traditional carbonara is unmatched. It has crispy chunks of guanciale and this incredibly luxuriously creamy cheese sauce. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios where the vibes are immaculate and the food is delicious. My name is Yanni and today we're making carbonara. Carbonara is one of the 4 traditional Roman pasta dishes. If you haven't heard of these 4 dishes, they are 4 different pastas that if you riff on, you will have to go into a witness protection program. These Italians are very protective over these recipes. So I'm gonna make a little tree for you so you can see how all of these dishes relate to one another. Some of them have common ingredients, and here is where our little carbonara lies. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil, cut the guanciale into small chunks. In a large pan over medium heat, gently brown the guanciale until the outside is crunchy and the inside is juicy. You're not even gonna need oil in the pan because the guanciale has so much fat. It can actually self-baste. In a steel mixing bowl, mix the egg yolks, Pecorino Romano, Parmesan, black pepper, and the 1 tablespoon of fat from the guanciale. Place the mixing bowl on top of the pot of boiling water to create a double boiler. So you're gonna have your pot with water, space, and then your second mixing bowl with the cheese and the egg. So the steam between here is what's gonna heat up evenly and gently. That way we don't turn our eggs into scrambled eggs. Whisk this quickly until the mixture is thickened and then set it aside. Cook the pasta in this boiling water until it's al dente. Transfer the cooked pasta to the pan with the guanciale and cook it together for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the pasta and guanciale mixture from the heat and slowly add in this egg mixture, making sure to stir quickly so the egg mixture becomes a creamy sauce. If the sauce is too thick, loosen it with a little bit of hot pasta water. I like to add in pasta water anyway because it's starchy, it adds flavor, and it brings textures together in sauces. Divide this traditional carbonara into a couple of hot dishes and serve them up. Don't mess with the classics because they will always be there for you. If you like this recipe, please check it out in the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes. If you haven't already, please make sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more recipes from us. My name is Yanni, and thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios. Mwah! I'll see you next time.